What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. I'm out here with Johnny, Mack's Tension. How do you say your name?
Mack Tension.
Mack Tension Fishing. I messed that up, my bad. And we're out here, we're gonna fish the intercoastal New Year. Where are we at?
We're at Serpent Creek.
Serpent Creek. And we're gonna do some intercoastal fishing. I'm gonna actually try to hook up into some fish today because last time was terrible. I went 8 hours, didn't catch. So we're hoping that with these two fine gentlemen, I can actually, you know, learn a thing or two and I can catch some fish.
I'm big sexy. Finds the ticket on the dash. I'm fine as a 9-ounce glass of wine. Not even just wine, 9 ounces. Pinot Grigio.
What did I get into? All right, we are out here at Serpents Creek, and I got the deeper running right now. I'm gonna keep it running the whole time. Got the screen recording. So this is what we're looking at here. About 10.5 feet of water dropping off quickly, or not quickly, but a gradual decline. I've been marking some fish. I'm gonna turn on my fish alarm so that I can successfully hear, you know, the alarm when it goes off when I mark a fish. We're now at 12 feet of water. Yeah, we're only looking at about 4 foot here, 4.5. Oh, I'm not recording my screen. $10 feet, 11 feet, 12 feet, wow. I'm gonna see what it looks like in the mouth of this here. Yeah, it comes up. We got a nice little lip here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fish right off this drop off. Oh yeah, right here. This is gonna be good fishing. All right, so right now it is 8:20. Tide, we are at low tide coming up, and we're gonna go ahead and look at the activity as well. Got activity going down, and then it's supposed to come up again once we're at high tide. So we're gonna be running that. Johnny, first fish of the day. A mullet. What is that?
Little red.
Oh, a little red. Okay. Bronze mullet, same thing. Oh yeah, you see a spot on. There you go.
Little cutie patootie.
Okay.
Good.
He's only got a spot on one side.
You butt naked. Smack that. Got him.
All right, first fish of the day for me. Black drum. Total length or fork?
Length.
All right, we'll get a quick measurement on him, see what size he is. Nope, he's short.
What is it? Hey, run Hey, Alex.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Come on over, play with tries. About that drag, boy.
All right, we're on right now. Oh yeah. Feels like a big red. On the new Daiwa BG. Okay. There's dinner right here. No, not yet. Oh, he's in my other line. Nah, he ran over my other line. Oh yeah, here we go. That's Woo! See, look at that. You come out here with people who know what they're doing.
You alright, John? Yeah, my foot got stuck.
Bet.
Hold him just like that. Hold the rod out.
All right, we out here. We're gonna get a quick measure on this guy. Oh, he's got 2 spots. Nice.
Bro, that one Jared got the other day.
All right, we're looking at 21 inches. Nice, good eating size. Definitely keeping him.
So your boy got the whole school?
Oh, all right. All right, we got bait, we got fish. It's on. Another drum, black drum. I hit. Oh shit. That's a big one. Now I'm wishing I'd brought my big drum reel. Ow, fuck.
My boy does. Another nice one.
Another one. All right, we're on again. Another good bite. Oh man, look at that. Oh, he's screaming. Yeah. Oh,
yeah, is that another slot?
Yeah.
I'll grab another slot.
He's not done yet.
You better get it.
All right, we got another good spot or red here. We're gonna measure him. "21 inches.
Yeah, we got room.
There we go, perfect. We're keeping him as well, and I'm slut on red, or I'm got my limit now. There's one. Yep. On a 1/0 hook and shrimp, can't complain about that. Oh, little rat red.
He looks savage for real.
Another red. 2 spots on him, pretty. Throwing him back. Try to swim away, he just swam right back at me. Oh shit, I got a trout. Yeah. At least that's what it looked like.
Sound right.
Yeah, speckled sea trout. Definitely slot too. Yeah. Let's get it. Oh yeah, here we go. 12, right?
Yeah.
12 to, what is it, 12 to 15? One over? Oh, 12 to 20? Yeah. Okay, okay.
That's 15 to 20.
15 to 20?
15 is minimum. 20, you get 1 over 20.
15 is minimum, not a foot. I might be under. Oh, you're right. Come on. Oh, come on. You're 100% sure it's 15?
That's the trout god.
Come on. 14. All right, well, okay. That's cool. You can lip these guys, right? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
You can what? That bottom jaw. Yeah, you can lip that shit quick.
No.
Lip it.
No. Them teeth? I ain't about it. I ain't about it.
If
No.
he's got his jaw, he can't close his mouth.
Y'all wild.
Alex, tell me this. Come here.
This man's wild. He's wild. Come on. There you go. There you go. All right. We need another one like that. Time to go.
Right.
All right, we're back here. We're now done. It's, I don't know what time, and I got my 2 fish, and we got one more red, so 3 between the 3 of us, and pretty good day overall. I learned a lot of things from these guys, so I'm really thankful they took me out. This guy knows what he's talking about. Go subscribe to his channel. I'll put it in the description. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments, and then I'll see you guys next time.